right, let's do the quick review on exponent properties. Remember, we can also call them exponent rules. And so the first one is when you're multiplying like bases, meaning they both have a base of x, right? So remember, x to the a times x to the b equals x to the a plus b, right? You add the exponents. So here's an example. What if we had n to the negative 5 times n to the 14th? All right, well, again, we're multiplying like bases. We can use the rule. N to the negative 5 plus 14. All right, 5 negatives and 14 positives leaves you 9 positives, and we get n to the 9th, right? X to the a times x to the b equals x to the a plus b. Now, how about if you're dividing like bases? In this case, x to the a divided by x to the b. Well, remember, these rules or properties are shortcuts. And so it saves us time if we remember that you subtract the exponents. So x to the a divided by x to the b equals x to the a minus b. Okay, so what if you had something like this? And again, I'm trying to give you some of the more difficult ones to help review. So again, you're going to take the base, you're going to take the numerator's exponent, and you're going to subtract from it the denominator's exponent. And of course, we all remember that minus a minus is a plus. And this would be a very large number. We end up with 2 to the 20th. Okay? Now, if they want you to figure out the whole number, you're going to have a lot of multiplying to do. We'll leave that in exponent form. All right? So division, x to the a divided by x to the b equals x to the a minus b. Now, how about a base and its exponent to another exponent? All right. So again, you got to remember the rule. X to the a to the b equals x to the a times b. Now I can use a raised dot, or I could just write ab, right? But you multiply the exponents. And so an example would be something like this: a to the 5th to the 2n. A to the 5th to the 2n. Okay, not so tough. You got your base, and you're going to multiply the exponents. Okay, so what? It has variables. It doesn't matter. Learn the rule, and you can deal with anything. All right, so a to the 5 times 2, and we end up with a to the 10n, right? 5 times 2n, 10n, and there we go. All right, so multiplying like bases, dividing like bases, and a base and its exponent to another exponent.